Hi everyone, my name is Zhehan. I'm the Utility and Energy Storage Product Director here with the CPS.
Hi everybody, I'm Anton Patton. I'm the Product Management and Applications Engineering Director here with CPS, and we're excited to talk to everyone about some of the new products we're going to be launching this year and showcasing at RE Plus in Las Vegas.
I guess the exciting one that we're talking about is the 350 kilowatts string inverter. Starting 10 years ago, people talking about inverter like 48 kilowatt is considered essential one, but today we're talking about string inverter of 350. How crazy it is and how fast the industry is going. So 350 is going to be larger inverters. So simply larger than our existing 275. It's got a higher power density in there, because the PV market is also leading by the panel makers, like the PV panels, PV modules. And as the PV modules are getting higher and higher power, like 600 plus or even 700 plus watts, you're going to have an inverter that work with them very well in the field and to reduce the dollars per watt. So the 350 will do a good job in that.
I mean, this is really high power string inverters designed for these large scale utility projects and really helping bring string to large projects, large system designs. What we'll be showing at RE Plus in Las Vegas, we'll have one in our booth, up to 30 inputs, 15 MPPTs. So it's definitely an exciting product that we're bringing. It'll have 800 volt AC output. So that's another part of kind of the 800 volt AC solutions that we're bringing for large scale utility PV. Another product we'll have at RE Plus will be an 800 volt AC combiner with circuit breakers.
Yeah.
That's one thing that we, working with our customers, saw as a need. Not a whole lot of solutions in the market for that kind of overcurrent protection. So that's another exciting solution we're bringing of having circuit breakers in an 800 volt rated combiner.
And it makes a lot of sense for CPS to offer the combiner box as well, because we're offering an inverter and we should be offering inverter with the AC combiner, because it got tested out in our lab. We know it's going to work with each other very well. You don't want nuisance stripping in the field. So we test it out. We have a lot of stress tests, thermal tests, everything to make sure that the panel is going to be working well with our inverter. So we're offering as a whole package. It's kind of like different from when customer buying inverter from you and buying panel from others. We can offer the package which is more like technically sound and with more solid performance.
Yeah, I mean, we'll really be able to offer everything from the inverter, 800 volt BOS, and even the medium voltage transformer skid. Yeah. So everything from taking the power from the PV modules to that medium voltage needed for the connection to the grid.
Yeah, basically the entire building block for a medium voltage site.
Yeah.
The individual protection for inverter is also going to be very good for, field protections, because a lot of like AHJs and utilities and NEC code, they are requiring the individual protection for each of the inverters. It's going to protect the inverter much better than a combined one. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of needs and demands in the market too.
Yeah, I mean, growing into different market segments, different customers, and a wide range of projects that will have different requirements depending on, what utility they're working with or what kind of terrain they have. So there's a lot of different needs and varying sort of requirements for different projects. And that's one advantage that string brings is, you can be more flexible of having these products in different types of designs.
Speaking of the AC combiner box, the one that we are pushing out first is going to be the 3-in-1 AC combiner box that's going to be working with our 275 system. And we're also working on a larger one for our 350 later. In SPI, we will have the breaker to be in the show, in the booth.
Yeah, we'll have it in the booth.
Yeah.
For those that can come by and check it out. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thanks for listening. We've been excited to talk to you all about our upcoming products and solutions, and stay tuned for more updates.